To use the IRS Tax Withholding Estimator, start by visiting the official IRS website and navigating to the Tax Withholding Estimator page. This tool is designed to help you determine the correct amount of federal income tax to be withheld from your paycheck. Begin by selecting your filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household. You will then be asked to provide information about your income, including your wages, salaries, and tips, as well as any other sources of income you may have. Next, you will be prompted to enter information about your dependents, including their ages and relationship to you. You will also need to provide information about any tax credits you are eligible for, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit. The estimator will then ask you to input your current tax withholding information, including the number of allowances you are claiming on your W-4 form. You can use this information to compare your current withholding to the recommended amount. Based on the information you provide, the tax withholding estimator will calculate your estimated tax liability and provide a recommendation for the number of allowances you should claim on your W-4 form. It will also give you the option to adjust your withholding to avoid owing taxes when you file your return. To get the most accurate results, make sure you have the following information available: your most recent pay stub, your last year's tax return, and any other relevant tax documents. It is also a good idea to review and update your withholding at least once a year, or whenever your income or family situation changes. By using the IRS Tax Withholding Estimator, you can ensure that you are having the correct amount of taxes withheld from your paycheck, avoiding any potential penalties or surprises when you file your tax return. Remember to review the results carefully and adjust your withholding as needed to ensure you are in compliance with tax laws and regulations.